Pangea has released their Vault service. When dealing with keys, secrets, and tokens, it's crucial to avoid hardcoding them in code, config files, or environment variables. Instead, best practices is to store them securely in a designated location. The solution? Opt for Pangea Vault service. It ensures strong security, easy access, and compliance. This service offers comprehensive key and secret management, including rotation and versioning. It even provides free storage for every Pangea API token. By relying on the Pangea Vault service, you sidestep risks tied to embedded sensitive information in your code or configs. It allows for seamless rotations without code changes, meeting compliance and bolstering security practices. Let's try out this service now. Starting at the left nav menu, navigate under the Data Protection section and select Vault. When enabling a service, we are given some information about the service's capabilities. Next, we can create a new token or extend an existing token. In this case, let's create a new token. On token creation, we will also select which services it has access to. Next, we are able to test out Vault service by inputting our own secret. For today's example, we will be adding an OpenAI token to the Vault in order to be able to access it securely later. We now land on the service overview page. We're able to see specific usage information, the tokens that have access to the service, and information about this specific instance of this service. Let's head over to the settings to check out additional configurations. Settings is where we are able to configure rotation frequency, what state old tokens should be set to, and grace periods for when Pangea tokens expire. We are also able to add Pangea tokens to the Vault by default. Let's enable this now. Let's head over to Secrets and Keys. Here you can add keys, secrets, folders, or new Pangea tokens as well as manage new ones. One additional use case for Vault is the ability to sign messages to verify that a message has not been edited or tampered with. In this example, we will be signing the responses from OpenAI and displaying the status of the messages on the secure ChatGPT application. Let's create a new key and select signing as the purpose. Next, name the key Chat Responses. We are able to set a specific expiration date for this secret and add tags to be able to search it later and add metadata if needed. Now you can copy the key into your application. On the left-hand side, we have already copied down the secure ChatGPT application. Copy the OpenAI ID and the asymmetric key into the appropriate fields. Now that we have the application up and running, we can send a request to ChatGPT. On the response, the message will display a red exclamation point till the message has been signed and verified. Then it will display a green checkmark. Heading to the service overview page, we can see the usage metrics have increased. If you have any questions, need additional support, or want to share what you've created, check out our community Slack. Our team of developers can't wait to hear from you. We're excited to see what you build next.